Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. In Decorative Dream, I have decided to show you mehndi designs because these days mehndi designs are on trending. I have came with a new video of full arm mehndi design, easy and simple mehndi designs for girls. You can see that these all designs are very simple, very easy. All of these designs are for the full hand. I hope you are liking my video, and if you are liking my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming video. I hope you are enjoying my video with these mehndi designs. These designs are very unique and simple. Okay friends, and if you are liking my video, then please tell me in comment section. Next we will meet soon in my next upcoming video of henna designs. You can use these designs on your engagement,